have in front of me here a 4 terabyte SATA 3.5 inch internal hard drive. You can see the outer box that it comes in here, no frills, okay? It can come from a range of different suppliers, always brand name, typically Western Digital, Seagate. I think this is actually Seagate Barracuda drive that we have here, but always drives to the same basic specification. Once you open the outer packaging, like I have done here on a different box, just opens up and we have further insulation and we have the actual drive here inside this anti-static bag, okay? So a 4 terabyte drive is quite a large one. Typical applications of this would be if you were replacing or upgrading a hard drive inside your PC, if you were using an enclosure or a docking station, something like that, for adding on external storage onto your PC. Or another common use we have for this is actually for use with DVRs. Now, I'm going to state clearly that this is not actually surveillance rated, but it's very commonly used simply because it's a very high specification drive. So we'd often see it used by both professional and DIYers for use with DVRs. Now, if it's a mission critical, very professional situation, you could pay the extra money and go for a full surveillance rated one for 24/7 use, such as, we'll say, the Western Digital Purple drives, which they have the market, but they come at a higher price. The return rates on these when we're using them with DVRs, very, very low. So we've sort of made a decision, we'll say, on all the professional drives, we put in the full surveillance rated one, and the lower cost ones, we can provide these as an option with them. So that's basically it. 4 terabyte is but the largest drive we're commonly selling now. What you'll see over a period of time is more and more drives, increasingly. What was very large, maybe in a year or two, will be counted more moderate size. But at this period of time, this particular drive certainly will be counted very, very high end in terms of storage capacity. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 4 terabyte 3.5 inch internal SATA drive.